Yo, I'm Chris Flamebaster Roberts here in beautiful Barri Island, and I want to show you how you can transform your leftovers and unused ingredients into quick, simple, flexible recipes to use up whatever food you have left and recycle the bits you can't eat. Wedi, Cymry, the gwastraff bwyd. How cool is that? Now I just need a local to help me out.
It's not the normal place, so don't tell anyone. Chris, shwmai!
Yo, Joe!
Croeso i'r Barri!
So I'm really honoured to be cooking with Barri royalty.
Oh, well, I'm very honoured to be cooking with you. What have you got going on here?
So today, chicken korma.
So with a korma, we can just chuck in all of our food leftovers.
Yes, it's amazing.
Fantastic.
Hannar, chips and rice.
Oh my
Can't
God,
beat it.
chips and rice, definitely. That is just the way that I like it.
But did you know that the average household of 4 in Wales weighs about 84 quid of the food?
That's so much, isn't it? But I thought that Wales was like really good at recycling. We're number 2 in the world,
Yeah,
aren't we?
prydau yn y byd. Da ni'n dallu neud y well, yeah. We can get to number 1.
So, what is the recipe for this then?
So today I'm using onion, cauliflower, coriander, a range of spices, and that's it really. A bit of coconut cream, leftover chicken too, carrots.
I never really thought about putting carrots into a curry.
But since having kids,
Yeah.
I'm just like putting anything in, anything that needs using up. Leftover chicken from yesterday's roast dinner. A fewn efo dyn bach o coriander. Dyma fewn efo dyn bach o mor hawdd. In Wales, we turn food waste into renewable energy.
Really?
Wedi, Cymry, efo gwastraff bwyd.
I'm still doing something good if I'm putting it in the cardy.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so nice.
A hannar efo'r wedges.
Are you ready, guys? But have a go. Tell me what you think.
Joe, I hear you know a bit about omelettes.
Oh, I'm good at an omelette. I really love them.
Great, we've got some leftovers here. Obviously, wyau, madar, caws, dim bach o spinach.
I'll start doing these eggs then. 3 eggs.
3 eggs, yeah.
And then our eggshells, we put them in the cardy.
Yeah. An omelette is a great way of just bringing any leftovers together. Fry the veg off, sweat them down, and then add let's get some caws in the action.
Right. Look at that. It's amazing.
Like holding my newborn baby into the world.
So everybody likes a dessert, don't they?
Yes.
My kids always love a dessert. And what can I make that is quick and easy?
Yogurt sundae. It's a great way of using yogurt, fruits.
Lovely. Show me how to make it. All right, we've got all sorts of
Oh,
bits.
but then remember,
Could we put all of this? So we got oranges, we got watermelon. And this would be quite good actually to have the kids making with you, because I know
Yeah.
that my lot would love this. I want to cheers you.
iechyd da,
Oh.
iechyd da.
Gyda'r. That
Yep.
is well loved. Wales is second in the world at recycling.
Come on Cymru, stopiwch bwyd o'r bin a cael Cymru i'r rhif 1 yn y byd.
Saving food from the bin is the top thing we can do.